Hey, how about another trip down memory lane with us? Where was this place at?
Spring Mill State Park, Mitchell, Indiana. This is the Pioneer Village tour.
Candlelight tour.
Candlelight tour. If you look, you see oil lamps and candles. That's what they had back then.
Yeah, this was probably 8 or 9 o'clock at night. Around
Roughly,
there.
it was dark. I mean, it was dark.
Because it was mid-September when this was going on, so sun was still setting kind of late. Not
They're
real late.
excavating in a building there. They found artifacts of some sort.
Yeah, there's the water wheel.
Yep.
And the mill was grinding that night, but I don't think the sawmill was running.
They're all the people you see when you go in here are all volunteers. So it depends on how many volunteers and what they can actually show how they operated.
Yeah, very popular tour too.
Mm-hmm.
They've had as high as 11,000 people stroll through there during this event.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know what that is.
Something to do with the mill, the grinding mill.
Most of the buildings were moved here into the state park. I don't know if any of them are on their original foundations that were built right here in the park or not.
Those are corn husk dolls. Those are cute to make.
Yep, they make them too while this is going on.
He was a mill operator.
Yeah.
I don't remember what that was.
Not really sure, but it kind of looks like a still.
Yeah.
Kind of.
You know, but it showed you how people lived back then. Their, living quarters. How they, cut their lumber for housing.
A living museum, pretty much.
Yep. And usually I think that's the only time it's all open. All the buildings. Don't quote me on it. But, like that's a baby's crib.
Yeah. All in pristine condition, too.
Mm-hmm.
These buildings were very well maintained, taken care of.
I think that was the inn. The bar inn, or whatever you would call it back then. They had a bar there. What were they called? Inns?
Yeah, but I don't remember what it was called.
I don't remember what they would actually call it.
But yeah, if you ever get around...
That's the pharmacy. I remember that one.
Oh yeah, the pharmacy. Yeah, because there's a pharmacist.
Mm-hmm.
And the buggies parked all around. But yeah, if you ever get around Mitchell, Indiana, Spring Mill State Park, stop by and see this Pioneer Village. It's pretty nice. I mean, it's like I said, it's very well kept. You can walk around all the buildings.
Tea party. That was a tea party.
I don't know if you can walk through any buildings unless these events going on. They also do Civil War reenactments here. I think 2 a year.
One's in the winter.
Yeah, one's in the winter time where they take over the buildings and they sleep in the buildings.
No, that's not our kids with lightsabers.
No.
A tent with a musket laying on the ground. They had militia there.
But yeah, if you guys get around in the area,
highly recommend it.
Beautiful park.
Yes.
And this is the bus that they took us there in.
They shuttle you into the place.
Yep. Well, thanks for watching.